guys, I'm at Sunrise Park. It's a nice day. Well, I bought a new bike mount from Amazon. It's only $10. It's nice. And here you go. I'm just gonna mount it on my Osmo right now and show you how good it is. So what it is, it has two knobs here you can hook up to your bar, the bike bar. What's nice is so it has two knobs here which you can attach to your bike mount. And here, what I like this here, you can loosen this knob here, and then you can turn this Osmo around 360 degrees, and then you can move like this to film yourself. When you're done, just move it back and tighten it again. I also have this CYNOVA adapter for my little mic I have. There you go. I'll attach that in link for the Amazon where you can get it. This is like 27 bucks CYNOVA mic, and it's only like 10 bucks for the little mic. I don't know what it's called, but so there you go. Thanks for watching. Hey, I'm at the PNE area. There's a bike path that goes to Brighton Beach. Goes all the way there. And here I am in a Empire Park. You can exercise, play ball. It's really nice here. Nice view here. See the mountains with some snow still. It's a big park here for exercise. Play anything, ball. Just gonna go around the park. Little bike trail here. That is the coaster, wooden coaster for PNE, but it's not open yet. I'm not sure if they'll open during this year because of the pandemic. We have high cases, around 1,000 average, but a vaccine is on the way. This is a big Empire Park, it's called. You can exercise, do whatever you like. Look at this wooden coaster. It's the oldest ride in here. I'm not sure how old. 50 years? At least, I don't know. Oh, there's volleyball here.